Hashtag swag. I don't have swag though. Welcome to E.J.A.X's channel. Another reaction for you guys. It's for MYNAME and it is called Baby I'm Sorry. I'm sorry, baby. I just saw this on my newsfeed and I will do a reaction for it. So here we go. Subscribe to me here. Subscribe to me if you haven't yet. And if you like the videos, thumb them up. If you don't, thumb them down. It's okay with me. I just did a reaction video for FX's so check it out over here. I'll put a link at the end of the video, or you can click on it right now if you want to. Alright, you panda. There you go. In 3, 2, 1. Wee.
여기도 많이 변했네.
I don't understand where are the subtitles. Oh no.
사람도 마찬가지고.
The subtitles in Korean. I'm guessing they're doing a deal.
그래서 그렇게 미친 개처럼 날뛰는 미친 개?
Reading their thoughts. Kids in high schoolers, I'm guessing. What'd you get? Oh, we got beaten up. Oh, snap. Ooh. Uh-oh. Come back. Uh-oh. Pow. There we go. That's what you get. You're beating up my friend. No. Flying kick. Oh. Ooh. One person. Yeah. 1 against 10. That's not good. Whatever. And he's laughing. Oh no. Oh, he's good. He's still gonna fight. He got beaten up already. Still has energy? Damn. Oh no, he's hiding. I'm sorry. Ooh, oh. Good job. Oh. Oh. Oh, there you go. Beaten. Wow. Beat them all up. Good job. It's like an MV. It's like a drama-ish. Oh, underground gambling ring. That throws that. Oh snap. Is he part of it? Is he part of it too? Oh, he's getting paid to do it. I guess legal enough to drink. That doesn't matter. Kid keeps getting beaten up. Shit. Punk. What's going on? Shots. 1 shot. He looks older than everyone though. Have another job for you. Oh snap. Aren't they part of the group? Dude, this tough dude. Tanned out like crazy. Dude. Isn't that the same building? I've seen this building before in a drama. Shoot, which one is it? It's a bunch of them too. Clean cuts though. You didn't get beat it up.
네, 뭐든 시켜만 주시면 열심히 하겠습니다.
I don't understand. I need subtitles. Yeah, good job. You're the only one with a clean face. Oh, whoa. Whoa. What the? Oh, there you go. In the sauna with that thing covered. Caught me off guard there.
인선 잘 받았다.
The big body just like punch you in the face with that. Can you even smoke in a sauna? Shame on you. Oh. What the hell's going on with it? Oop.
네가 여기 왜 있냐고. 내 마음이야.
That tough guy. Oh right, the one that trying to be all tough and shit. You got a new watch too. Shame on you. Is he part of the same group as them now? I'm synth. What's going on? Oh shit. Ooh, there's a knife in there. I knew it. Oh my god. Ooh, he's gonna die. He's gonna die. Oh shit. Oh. Ah. Oh. Oh well, there you go. Oh damn. He's dead. Oh, yeah. Oh, there's his body. Oh boy. No. That was a sucky way to die. Wait, did he find out? He must. This afterwards? Ooh, that's a bad punch right there. Ouch. Until he dies too. Yeah, I'ma get you. Fuck you for killing my friend. No, there they are again. Oh! Oh shit. Well damn. This is another one we're all gonna die. Oh, it's gonna be God. One does it fight. Ooh. Right on the head. Oh no. I don't want him to die. Pow. Ooh. There we go. They didn't even fight. Ooh. Snapped his neck. Oh god, everyone died. Ooh. Oh, put oh my. Oh no. Oh, they all died.
Boing boing.
Well, damn. That caught me off guard. It's like another, what is that, one shot where everyone died. But actually in this one, they all died for real. It's not like a joke or anything. Verdict, that's a beautiful song. Second of all, I'm still shocked at what happened. Like, oh my god, everyone died. Especially that guy, the blonde guy that didn't do anything wrong. First of all, why did he even go? Well, they're all best friends, so they gotta stick to each other. But still, depressed. Well, that changes my mood. Oh, I'm sorry to the blonde guy. I don't know your names yet, but hey. Especially when he cried at the end, I'm like, nah, damn you Korean dramas, they always get to me. But anyway, it was a great song. The video was well made. It's like a whole series combined into one, like from like their high school to their jobs, new jobs, their hitman, whatever, what they do for a living. And a sigh. Good job, my name. I'm guessing that's the name of the group. I've never heard of the group before, so yeah, that was a good one. Very good one. I really like MVs that have a storyline. The song kind of reminds me of like a story like Haru Haru by Big Bang, or that song by the very old song with by Kiss, I think, Because I'm a Girl, like back in 2004. That got to me, that storyline. Oh my god, the eyes and stuff. that got me. Great song, great MV. If I had subtitles, I would have understood it more, but just based on that, I kind of get the gist of what the hell happened. Friends stick together till the end, till they all died. All for one or one for all. Hoorah! Anywho, thank you for watching. Subscribe to me if you haven't again. I will catch you guys later till the next reaction video. E.J.A.X out. Salamat! Bum, bum, bum. Their hair's like all reddish violet. Ooh, what is this?